Ready?
Go! Whoa, 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 whoa,
There is breaking news out of British Columbia this morning. A fierce storm with heavy snow and wind is causing chaos and widespread blackouts on BC's south.
Let's go! Oh, my balls! Oh my god, are you okay? Alright guys, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching and
what's up?
so much fun.
Yeah,
Hungry? Huh?
I'm hungry.
Okay, Coco is not hungry today.
Well, I'm hungry.
You go.
I sled.
You sled?
Yeah, too much. Today we're going to
7-Eleven?
yeah, I'm a lot of junk food. Actually, want to go to 7-Eleven.
And why?
Because I want a lollipop.
Okay. You love it, Mama?
Yeah. Sige, kaya ang likod pa. Bangga.
Sige nga, ito'y muhoy. This is a beautiful one if you wanna go for sledding. Queen's Park in New West is the best.
Put it back up.
One of the best.